Click on the element. At the top right corner, go to Share, See All, and then copy to Clipboard. What this does is that it converts the element into an image. And so if I were to paste this image back into Canva, you can see now it's an image with a background color. And so in this case, if I want to flip the image, I can go to the top now, click on Flip. I can flip it horizontally or vertically. And I can resize this image here. But first, you notice that there is a white background color in the image itself. So if I want to remove that background, I can come over to the top and click on Background Remover. So a few things about Background Remover. This is for pro users only. So if you're on a free plan and you want to use Background Remover, you'd have to upgrade to a pro plan. And also, when you do this Background Remover option, you want to try to do it on a white page. If it was on a color page, there might be some pixels. If I zoom in, there might be some pixels on the outside that still leaves the color of the original background. So let's say, for example, I can start this process over again. Let's say I change this background color to green color, right? Now, if I were to copy this entire page and do the same process again, see all, copy to Clipboard, and now paste it back into Canva, and now I get rid of this green color and change it back to white. And if I do Background Remover again, you might notice there's a tint of green color here. So it's not the most noticeable, but if you just zoom in all the way, you can still see a little bit of green tint color. So to try to get the most out of Background Remover, the most effective way is to do it in a white background instead of a colored background. So the images are loaded here. And so I can easily just flip this and then resize it. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.